Hey guys, we're at the SEMA Show 2024. Looks like it's going to be a pretty good year. It's already got a lot of people here. We're pretty early in the morning, and there's a lot of cool stuff here. We're going to wander around today. We're going to be in the Lincoln booth today, doing autographs at Lincoln, and then we're going to head by Pro Charger. And then one of the cars that I want to see here, believe it or not, is my buddy has the original Joe Dirt car here today. So I want to go by and check out the Joe Dirt car and maybe sit in it, take a good look at it. Me and my kids, we love Joe Dirt. It was one of our favorite movies, so I really want to see this car today. Other than that, I'm just going to walk around and check out all the new cool stuff that's here at SEMA. Hopefully it isn't a bunch of electric junk, but we're not going to focus on that. We're going to focus on the cool stuff that's here at SEMA, stuff that burns petroleum, that makes horsepower. So let's go check it out. Here we are at the Lincoln booth. We're going to be signing some autographs. A bunch of cool fans are showing up right now. But anyway, it's going to be great, so stick around.
Questions for Corey? Works for RPG.
What's up, bud? How are you? How are you?
Suspension over here is for the Raptor.
Yeah. Nice. Yeah, I'll try it.
You want to try it?
Yeah, let me try it run.
Yeah. Got glasses?
No, those look great.
It's a great helmet right here.
Yeah, let me give it a shot.
Gloves though.
Huh? We got gloves? We're gonna give this a run. I want to try out one of these welders. A nice little hood. All right.
Well done, sir. Very well done.
That's fun. Feels good. It's a nice little machine. I feel like, preferably, I'd want a little more heat in it. Is that right or wrong?
I like my coffee black. Some people like cream and sugar, some like caramel frappuccinos.
Yeah, I think I'd bump it up just a little bit on my end. But
so look at your heat though into your part. You got a lot of penetration in that. I think you're pretty good.
Yeah.
Right?
But I'd move a little quicker.
Okay.
I don't know. Just like.
So we're trying to set up for guys who may not be as proficient as you as in welding, trying to get them comfortable. If they have to move real fast, they get uncomfortable. But like keep it slow, they're more likely to be comfortable.
I kind of geared it down because I could feel the way that it was kind of set up, like I need to slow down a little bit on it.
Yep.
But now that it's hot, now that it's got some temp in it, I'm gonna hit the backside. I'll let it cool down a little bit.
Grab another coupon.
And then do one more. That's cool. Hell yeah. This is Joe Dirt's car from the movie Joe Dirt. If you haven't seen this, you're crazy. It's the best movie ever.
It is. No doubt.
It was the best movie ever.
Inspirational story for all of us, isn't it?
God, I just loved it. I loved me and my kids would sit and watch it over and over and over. Matter of fact, I had a rope horse we used to team rope on because I used to rodeo.
Right.
And he was rolling over in the mud one day, and I just bought the horse. And my youngest son, I go, hey, what do you want to name him? Well, he's kind of dirty. Let's just name him Joe Dirt. So we had a rope horse named Joe Dirt for a long time too.
That?
But yeah, this is really actually pretty awesome to see. To touch it.
You gotta sit in it.
Yeah, this is cool. I would have loved to build this car for the movie.
Oh, no kidding.
What a neat car.
Those are BMWs, dude.
Are they really?
It's very old.
Yeah, they probably found them in the junkyard.
Believe it or not, it actually drives really well.
Dude, I'd love to drive this car around. This is sick. What a bitchin' car, huh? Yeah.
Yeah.
They should go nuts.
It came with an Aerosmith one. I don't know if I got an ACDC.
This is right up my alley. This is my. I look good in this car. That's right up my alley.
The clone, I'm gonna drive everywhere.
Gosh.
I
Yeah,
got
that
the
thing's
same
sweet.
setup inside. I mean, I left the carpet and the door panels on and headliner, but you know, I got the same crap hanging from the steering wheel. And would you believe I found the exact same 8-track, except the one I found has a AM FM on it, but it's the same
really?
brand and everything.
No shit.
Then I got backseated because I want to do a hot rod power tour and stuff like that. You know,
So, how's the 440 in it run?
it runs good.
Does it run good?
It's not souped up a whole lot, but
No, but I mean, it's just a
fires
cruiser,
right
right? Yeah.
I bought this at Barrett Jackson in West Palm Beach. My sister lives in Palm Beach Gardens in a gated community. I freaking went. I freaking drove it. Just drove it right up. I was like, so we checked all the lights worked. So I'm like, all right, let's go. It's 11 miles away. So we drove that thing right to her house. Gated community, had to freaking get in the code to get in.
I don't really get too giddy about cars because I've seen every f***ing car on the planet. But my kids, I gotta call them. Isn't that awesome?
Yeah, that thing's badass. So badass.
Oh, yeah, it's sick as shit, dude. He said that they sold this car in like right after the movie for like 20,000, and then it went to the Netherlands for 10 years, and then he bought it.
God damn. Yeah, that's a badass
I'd call
car.
that shit rusty.
Yeah.
Hey, so this guy right here, he owns the car.
Hell yeah.
This is the son that named his horse Joe Dirt.
Joe Dirt?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
I was telling about Joe Dirt, the horse we had.
I love Joe Dirt, dude.
Anyway, yeah, I had to call Chase and show him too, but this is all we could. Yeah. Anyway, he's a pretty cool dude. I mean, there might be a chance that we can drive this bitch. I would die.
I'll get a mullet on so fast.
Yeah, me too, dude.
I'll be shirtless screaming that thing.
Hey guys, end of the day here at SEMA. Had a great day, went to the Lincoln booth, and then did a lot of autographs, a lot of cool people showed up. Seen a bunch of old friends that I've seen here for years. We got to go see the Joe Dirt car, which I thought was really cool. One of my favorite movies. And then Pro Chargers was awesome. We got to see a lot of people over there and kind of look at some of the new Chargers that Pro Chargers got out right now, which was a lot of fun. And I'm here at Wolf trying to get out of this place, and the traffic looks good though. There was a lot of people here this year, which makes me happy because I can see that everybody's still in the industry and they really want to go and keep making hot rods and keep making performance. Anyway, we will see you guys later. Thanks for following me around today.